What's up, y'all? Day 2 in Bordeaux. Just now woke up, about to start the day off with some nutrition. Some Sun Warrior Classic Brown Rice Protein. So I don't know what happened. Looks like my blender exploded. The motor went out. That sucks. But at least we got one shake out of it. Poi ramekins. And breakfast is served. So there you have it. Day 2 in Bordeaux. Breakfast. It's pretty nice for my landlords to have the place fully furnished. Have silverware for me. And, you know, I got dishwashing liquid. You know what I'm saying? They gave me, I got carpet. Look at that. Who has carpet? So. And they also gave me some Lipton tea and, look at that. Oh, sugar cube. That's interesting. Sugar cubes. Here's some more sugar, sucre en poudre. And some stuff. I have no clue what this is. Banania Banco. Mon énergie du matin. Probably some type of coffee. It says energy, so I'm thinking it's some type of coffee. It has sugar and okay, it's cocoa drink, so some type of hot chocolate. And it says chaud froid, so you can have it hot or cold. Then right under that, they got some, what do you know, more sugar. I don't know why they stocked me up on the sugar. Maybe they figure since I eat all fruit, that's what I was looking for. Sugar, sugar, sugar. That is what I'm looking for. The fructose. You heard the results from that guy. You know, he's done. You know what I'm saying? He's going down. You know, the cigarette smoke is taking him out. Now it's secondhand. So keep you guys updated.